Once upon a time, in a peaceful little town, there lived a special owl named Nightwing. Nightwing was not like the other owls. He had beautiful, shimmering feathers that glowed in the moonlight. Every night, as the sun set, Nightwing would fly high into the sky, spreading his wings wide to catch the last rays of the day. He loved the twilight, for it was his time to soar and sing. One night, a little girl named Lily saw Nightwing for the first time. She was drawn to his beautiful glow and the sweet melody of his song. She whispered, "Who are you, with such a beautiful light?" Nightwing heard her and replied, "I am Nightwing, the guardian of the night. I help children fall asleep by singing lullabies." Lily was delighted. She asked Nightwing to sing for her. With a soft, gentle voice, Nightwing began to sing a lullaby that made the stars twinkle brighter. As Lily listened, she felt her eyelids growing heavy. She climbed into bed, snuggled under her covers, and drifted off to sleep, dreaming of adventures with Nightwing. From that night on, Nightwing would visit Lily every night, singing his lullaby and helping her fall asleep. The townspeople marveled at the beautiful glow in Lily's window each night, and they knew it was Nightwing's magic that helped children all over the town sleep peacefully. And so, Nightwing continued to guard the night, helping children fall asleep and spreading his magic glow. His song became a symbol of peace and comfort for all who heard it, reminding them that no matter how dark the night may seem, there is always a light to guide them home.